Alright, good morning guys. We got Mr. Damon's son's 2017 Subaru WRX STI. His vehicle came in with a rod knock. He was tracking it, and the day he was tracking it, go figure, the bottom end blew, common issues. Unfortunately, we don't have enough room at the shop right now, but we do need to get this engine out. We're going to be towing it to the shop hopefully later today or possibly tomorrow, but more than likely later today after we clear some space at the shop. So we're just pulling the engine out here at the shop for the meantime and prepping everything. So pretty much Wonton got a head start here this morning. It is around 9 o'clock, so we got to get this engine out and everything to the shop, and well, let's do it, guys. We are very limited to the tools we have. We're back in the Stone Age right now because our wonderful tuner accidentally took our power tools, and most of our power tools are at the shop anyways. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, back in the Stone Age.
What are you simpletons doing?
This is where we stand right now. Getting the downpipe off, solder is off. We just have a couple bell housing bolts. Get under there, drain the fluids, and do the engine mounts. Take this thing out. Very limited on the tools I have. Like I said earlier, a lot of my stuff is at the shop, and some of the stuff my tuner has. So unfortunately, I don't have a lot of the stuff. Alright, I get this side out. Alright, we got his oil drip pan. That's why I call them oil drip pans, because when you got an oil leak on these things, you can never tell because of this. So we more than likely won't run that with the new setup. We're going to have equal length headers, all that good stuff. So it's a big possibility we're not going to run it. Getting the engine mount bolts off, and then I got a couple downpipe bolts, and I got to get those off. Yeah, this car actually has low miles, like 76,000 miles or something like that. I don't know. Pretty low, and if you look under here, it's actually decently clean. It's just unfortunate the engine blew, but like I said, that's a Subaru for you. Let's get these ground wires off. Let me grab my tin milk. Okay. Take them off from the solenoids here. That way we don't lose them. A lot of people forget the ground wires and tear these engines out and rip their ground wires. So that's always fun. Ask me how I know, right? When I first started working on Subarus a long time ago, I didn't know about the ground wires, but now I do. Now I gotta get the downpipe. Try not to get too dusty, kind of.
That is absolutely
Oh, those are definitely on there, my guys. Those are tight.
That's what I'm talking about. A white girl with a black girl. I'm taking that home, mama.
All right, guys. As you can see, we got the engine halfway out. After this, once I get the engine fully out, I got someplace to go. I got some errands to run at the shop. So, I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Make sure we don't damage anything. All right, guys, we got the engine out. So we just gotta finish jacking it up, get it over the bumper, and this thing is out. So after this, I gotta actually get ready for a meeting. Hopefully this thing doesn't tip over. All right, be very careful. All right, that's how we do it. Time for this car to go to the shop.